Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Labor Day. My name's Bob Clark from Clark Pipe Repair, and I just thought I'd check in. Wanted to show you around our shop. It's been a while, and a couple of people have called in and asked to see some pictures of the shop, so I thought I'd give the nickel tour this weekend. I'd like to thank you all for your patronage over the years, and hope for your continued support. Shop's kind of small, however, we get a lot done here. My showpieces, of course, is my 1937 Atlas press, wood lathe, Big Blue as it's affectionately called, made by Craftsman. I'm sure there's better lathes out there that I could be using, but just got some history with her. Can't get rid of her. Our French wheel for repair work and sanding when I'm making the Clark pipes in the Elijah Cole line of pipes. Got the repair line up there ready to go out. A lot of old machinery that I like to use to repurpose. A lot of the older stuff, in my opinion, some of the better stuff. Got our table here with some more pipes. Complete line of stems. That's just scratching the iceberg, as you'll see in a moment. Stems. And we're moving down in the basement here. I've got the Sandblaster. And this is a nice little beauty. I believe it's a 1934 South Bend. When I got this at a barn sale, it was still in the packing crate. And so it's new old stock. I've had it for about 4 years now. Absolutely beautiful. And we're moving right along into the shop here a little more. Our grinder, our supplies. Like I said, stems, we have stems. Most all the shelves here are filled with stems. I had recently taken over the repair work for Tom Tessier of Bear Briar Pipes in Santa Rosa, California. And we got a lot of stock from him. And I am forever in his debt. We keep all of our Elijah Cole stuff in here. More stuff. All for our repair work. Our saw that we use for obvious stuff. More stems, more repair stuff. Our dust collection system. This is the repair bench where I do all the repair work that comes in. Finishing touches on stuff. Where we keep our briar stocks. Lots of briar. And again, you guessed it, more stems. We've had the slack belt sander here for quite some time. Really works well for finish shaping on handmaids. Our stamping press. And that is basically the shop. It's quiet here today. We've been doing some cleaning. It's Labor Day weekend, so we're just kind of taking it easy. Once again, I'd like to thank you all for your continued support over the last year. as I do this full time, it's really nice to have a support network of people who enjoy the repair work that I do, and I enjoy doing the work for you. Have any questions, check out my site, please, clarkpiperepair.com, or give me a call on the number that you see there, and I can help you out with anything you have. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good one.